Hello and welcome, or welcome back if you're a returning viewer to the channel. WB here, and in this video what I want to do is show you how you can integrate Microsoft Intune with Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. And as always, I ask you, if you like what you see on the channel, be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you're aware of all of the videos that are coming out. Be sure to like, share, comments are welcome, and check that description below for the link to our community Discord server so that you and I can continue this discussion. What do you say, everybody? It's time. Let's dive in. Hello everyone, here we are on my Windows desktop, and I'm logged into the Intune Admin Center here, and we're going to integrate Microsoft Intune with Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. And to do that, we're going to go ahead and navigate to Endpoint Security. And you'll see here, scrolling down under Overview, if we scroll down all the way here towards the bottom, you're going to see Setup, and then under Setup you'll see Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. We'll go ahead and select that. And if you haven't set up Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, you haven't done the integration here, you'll see connector status is unavailable, and you'll get this 1, 2, 3 basic wizard here for setting up the connector, essentially connecting to the service so that you can do the integration. We're gonna click this hyperlink here, and what it'll do is it'll connect us, again, provided we have the appropriate licensing, and it will connect our service to the Microsoft Intune, or excuse me, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, giving us the ability to start managing these devices. And we have some additional connector settings here that you can see. Some of these are grayed out, and that's because the connector isn't available. In fact, I want to say the only one that's available is the Endpoint Security Profile setting, and the other ones are grayed out because we don't have the connector. But I want to say even this one, if you were to enable it, it would error out. So what do we have to do? Well, we have to follow the first couple of steps here. We're going to go ahead and we're going to connect our service here from Microsoft Intune to Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. All right, and after the refresh here, what we can see is that we have a service connection. The status, it shows available, and it shows that it has been synchronized. Keep in mind, if you ever need to refresh the synchronization, you can do that here. And you can see some of the settings that we've seen before that were grayed out are no longer grayed out, and that is typically the platform and a specific version and above to connect to the MDE platform. You can also see some things that we can control with Android and iOS devices for app protection policy evaluation as well too. Now, as a little added bonus here too, you can go to the Microsoft Defender admin portal. I don't know if this is going to be called out on the exam, but I put it here anyways, just in case it is, because it does talk about Intune integration, but I want you to be aware of it just in case, right? Better to over-prepare. And we're going to scroll down below, all the way down below System. We're going to expand that out, and we're going to choose Settings here. When we choose Settings, that's going to give us a series of capabilities that we can configure from Microsoft Defender, right? You can see the portal there, Defender XDR, and we want to see endpoints. This is how we can tell we've got the Microsoft Defender for endpoints, and here's where we can confirm that integration. So you have for your endpoints, you have just general licensing. We'll talk about the advanced features here, but you got your licensing page here, if I could select it. There we go. And this shows you the plans that you have available, the available license, right? So you can see I've got a couple of different plans that are available and available license here too. So the licensing information could come up on the exam as well too. So just be aware of that. And even if you're just supporting the technology and want to be a little bit more aware. But what we want are the advanced features. And I want to show you where first of all, where the Microsoft Intune connection is. If we scroll down, you're going to see there's a variety of different settings here. Some turned on, some turned off. And if we scroll all the way down, I believe it is, there we go. This is the one we're looking for. Notice we have the Microsoft Intune connection. If you need to reset your connection for whatever reason, for troubleshooting purposes, you can turn this off and then just come back over to Endpoint Security. Remember, under Setup, I think I said Settings earlier, but under Setup, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, right? You can delete this connection and then go through the process and establish it again. Kind of resets the connection there. So that's also a little bit of troubleshooting that will help you out as well too. So there you have it, everybody. Integrating Microsoft Intune with Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. As always, I ask you, if you like what you see on the channel, be sure to subscribe. Click the notification bell so you're aware of all of the new episodes that are coming out. Be sure to subscribe. Remember, share this content as well. Comments are always welcome. Check out the description for a link to our community Discord server so we can continue the conversation. Thank you so much for watching.